Dear friend, lunch is not just another meal. For many people over 60, it's a quiet moment in the middle of the day, a peaceful pause where the body is nourished, the mind can rest, and the spirit has space to be heard. Yet in today's fast-paced world, lunch is often rushed or skipped altogether. And when that happens, we're not just missing a meal, we're missing a sacred opportunity to care for ourselves. In my years as a physician here in the US, I've seen something truly meaningful. When older adults return to simple meals they prepare with their own hands, using wholesome, gentle ingredients, they begin to feel lighter. Not just physically, but emotionally too. They sleep more deeply. Their digestion improves. Their minds feel clearer. And most importantly, they feel more connected to themselves. So today, I'd love to share with you 5 simple and gentle lunch ideas. Each one easy to make, comforting to eat, and deeply supportive for your body and brain after 60. These aren't just recipes. They are small acts of healing, served one quiet bite at a time. Let's explore them together. 1. Lentils, a gentle, heart-nourishing brain food for midday. Lentils may be small, but they carry remarkable nutritional strength, especially for older adults seeking a light, healing lunch that still supports both the body and the mind. Many think of lentils as just for vegetarians, but in truth, they're one of the easiest plant-based proteins to digest. They support heart health, brain clarity, and digestive ease all in one humble bowl. Rich in soluble fiber, lentils help stabilize blood sugar after meals, a vital benefit for anyone over 60 or managing prediabetes. This fiber also gently supports bowel regularity, helps cleanse the digestive tract, and reduces inflammation in the gut. But that's not all. Lentils are also packed with folate, magnesium, and potassium, 3 minerals essential for steady blood pressure and a strong cardiovascular system. Folate in particular is deeply tied to the nervous system, supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of memory fog in later years. And here's something truly special. Lentils provide clean, plant-based protein without cholesterol, unlike many heavier meats that can strain the liver, kidneys, or heart. A warm bowl of lentil soup or even a small portion mixed with brown rice and veggies at lunch can keep you full without bloating, offering your body a steady stream of energy into the afternoon. I once suggested to a 65-year-old patient, who often had pork and rice for lunch, to try a simple lentil and vegetable stew for 2 weeks. The results? He said his belly felt lighter, he stopped feeling sleepy after lunch, and his digestion became more regular. His skin even began to glow. But what touched me most was when he said, "Doctor, my head feels clearer now, especially in the afternoons." For older adults, lentils aren't just a food. They are a quiet, healing act of nourishment, a way to cleanse, protect, and restore, one gentle spoonful at a time. 2. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables, gentle protein that supports digestion and memory. For those over 60, getting enough protein without burdening the digestive system becomes essential. And among all the everyday options, baked salmon with lightly roasted or steamed vegetables is one of the most ideal midday meals, both comforting and deeply restorative. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, 2 vital nutrients for brain health and memory. After age 60, the membrane surrounding brain cells begin to lose their flexibility, which slows down communication between neurons. But eating salmon just 2 to 3 times a week can help restore that flexibility, supporting clearer thinking, reducing forgetfulness, and even lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Salmon also provides natural sources of vitamin D and vitamin B12, both important for maintaining clarity, stabilizing mood, and supporting restful sleep. When paired with vegetables like zucchini, carrots, bell peppers, or broccoli, roasted gently or steamed, You get a beautiful balance of antioxidants, fiber, and calm energy that supports both digestion and the mind. I remember a friend of mine, Mr. Thomas, age 68, living in Oregon, who once shared how bloated, tired, and foggy he felt after his usual lunches of fried red meat and heavy sides. But after switching to baked salmon with roasted squash and greens, he told me, "I feel lighter, my mind is clearer, and now I walk every afternoon without getting tired." That story reminded me the right meal can reset your entire rhythm. Salmon can be baked in the oven or pan-seared without oil. Add a touch of black pepper, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of fresh dill for flavor. Just one gently cooked fillet paired with colorful vegetables, and you've given your body and brain a lunch that nourishes without stress. 3. Quinoa salad with roasted vegetables and white beans. Gentle on digestion, anti-inflammatory, and blood sugar friendly. A nourishing lunch after age 60 shouldn't just be light and easy to digest. It should also provide steady energy that lasts gently through the rest of the day. And when it comes to whole grains, quinoa is one of the most powerful yet gentle options I often recommend. It's rich in nutrients, easy on the gut, and kind to the heart. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, along with plenty of fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. What makes it even more special is its ability to quiet chronic inflammation, especially in the nervous system and blood vessels. The kind of inflammation that quietly contributes to fatigue, joint aches, and even memory decline. When you pair quinoa with lightly roasted or steamed vegetables, like cherry tomatoes, butternut squash, bell peppers, or broccoli, you create a colorful, antioxidant-rich plate that cleanses the cells, boosts metabolism, and nurtures healthy skin from the inside out. Adding white beans to this dish makes it even more complete. They're a gentle source of plant-based protein and provide iron, calcium, and natural blood sugar support, especially helpful for older adults managing diabetes or high blood pressure. Beans also help you feel full longer, which reduces the urge to snack in the afternoon. I once had an older gentleman who made this meal part of his routine, just twice a week. And after 1 month, he told me, "I feel lighter, no more afternoon bloating, my sleep is deeper, and the best part? I started enjoying cooking again. Lunchtime feels like a gift to myself now." Making this dish is simple. Cook your quinoa, toss it with steamed or roasted vegetables, add in some boiled white beans, drizzle with a bit of olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Just one colorful plate enjoyed slowly, and you'll feel your body beginning to restore itself from within. 4. Whole grain toast with almond butter and banana. A gentle, balanced lunch to support memory. Sometimes lunch doesn't have to be elaborate. Just one slice of whole grain bread, a smooth layer of almond butter, and a few slices of ripe banana. And you've created something simple yet deeply nourishing for both the brain and body. Whole grain bread provides plenty of fiber, B vitamins, and complex carbohydrates, the kind of energy that's released slowly, helping you maintain steady blood sugar throughout the afternoon. That's especially important because sudden dips in blood sugar can lead to fatigue, shakiness, headaches, and brain fog, a common concern for many older adults. Almond butter is full of healthy fats, rich in vitamin E and magnesium, 2 essential nutrients that protect brain cells from premature aging. The unsaturated fats in almonds also support healthy circulation and help calm the nervous system. Just a small spoonful of almond butter each day can gently lift your mood and support mental stability. As for bananas, they're more than just sweet. They're packed with potassium, tryptophan, and vitamin B6, a trio that promotes restful sleep, emotional balance, and better memory. Tryptophan is especially meaningful here because it converts into serotonin, a brain chemical that brings calm, ease, and emotional clarity. I once had an older patient who often felt agitated and restless in the afternoons. I suggested they try this meal for lunch instead of skipping it or eating something heavy. A few weeks later, they told me, "I feel calmer now. My mind isn't racing so much. And every time I eat that soft toast with banana, it takes me back to childhood. Peaceful, simple, and somehow more connected." Just one slice of tender bread, a light spread of creamy almond butter, and golden banana slices, and you have a complete lunch. Gentle on the stomach, nourishing for the brain, and kind to the spirit. 5. Oatmeal with nut milk and blueberries. Easy to digest, soothing for the nerves, and gentle on the heart and mind. If you're looking for a light, calming lunch that helps relax the body, clear the mind, and support heart health, then a warm bowl of oatmeal cooked with nut milk and topped with blueberries might just be what you need. It's a dish that's gentle in flavor, gentle in spirit, and gentle in how it nourishes your whole being, especially on days when you want to slow down and take extra care of yourself. Oats are rich in a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, known for lowering bad cholesterol, stabilizing blood sugar, and helping you feel full longer. They also contain tryptophan, the natural building block for serotonin, a brain chemical that lifts your mood, supports better sleep, and enhances memory. Eating oats at lunch gives you sustained energy without feeling heavy afterward. As for nut milks, like almond milk, walnut milk, or cashew milk, they provide gentle plant-based fats that support nervous system function. They're cholesterol-free, low in sugar, and high in magnesium, which helps your body and mind relax after the quiet stress of the day. And then we have blueberries, the jewel on top. These little berries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your brain cells from aging and support sharper thinking and better memory. Studies show that people who eat blueberries regularly tend to have stronger recall and focus even in their senior years. I once heard from a lovely woman in her 70s who told me, "I eat this oatmeal a few times a week, and it's like my brain gets washed clean. I don't feel foggy or forgetful like before. I feel brighter, calmer, even joyful." She called it her memory-clearing porridge. Making this meal is beautifully simple. Cook oats with nut milk, add just a pinch of sea salt to balance the sweetness, and top with fresh or frozen blueberries. This isn't just food for your body, it's comfort for your soul, right from the very first spoonful. Dear friend, when we reach our 60s and beyond, good health is no longer something we can take for granted. It becomes a conscious choice. And that choice often begins with the smallest of things: a thoughtful lunch, a gentle meal, a kind way of treating ourselves. As you've seen, you don't have to be a gourmet chef or follow a complicated diet. All it takes is a willingness to return to the basics, to simple, wholesome foods like oats, white beans, salmon, almond butter, and fresh vegetables. By doing so, you're quietly laying the foundation for a healthier, steadier, and more peaceful life each day. Because eating isn't just about survival, it's about caring. Each lunch becomes an opportunity for healing, not just physical energy, but also emotional well-being, better sleep, and a clearer mind. In those quiet moments when you slowly chew a piece of tender salmon or savor the soft sweetness of warm oatmeal, you're sending your body a loving message. I'm still here. I still want to live well. If today's suggestions brought you a moment of inspiration, please feel free to leave a comment or share your thoughts. And you know what? Every message you send is the reason I keep sharing meals, insights, and ways of living that truly touch the heart. Don't forget to hit subscribe so we can continue exploring this journey together, a life of gentle meals, deep health, and quiet joy in each bite. See you in the next video. Until then, may your meals be calm, your mind be clear, and your heart stay quietly full.